Hey there! Today, I'm taking you on a wild ride through the history of animal discoveries in the Americas, how they turned science upside down and changed our view of the world. Picture this. It's the late 1400s. European explorers step onto this massive new continent, and almost instantly, they spot animals that seem like they belong in a fantasy book. Armadillos that look like walking tanks, giant turkeys strutting around, colorful parrots flying overhead. Nobody back in Europe had even imagined creatures like these. Now, these discoveries weren't just cool surprises, they were shocking. Back then, many scientists thought the world's animals were already catalogued and created in a perfect, unchanging order. But the Americas, they blew the doors off that idea. Let's rewind to the 16th century. Spanish explorers sent llamas, sloths, and opossums back to Europe. People stared in disbelief. Some believed these animals were fakes, stitched together by pranksters. But soon, universities and collectors scrambled to study them. These animals didn't fit the old classifications, so scientists started asking new questions. What else don't we know? Fast forward to the 1700s, and we see the birth of taxonomy, the science of naming and classifying living things. Swedish scientist Carl Linnaeus got his hands on American species and realized he needed a whole new system to fit them in. Suddenly, science moved from what's already known to what's left to discover. The Americas kept delivering surprises. In the 1800s, Charles Darwin visited South America and found fossils of giant sloths and armadillos the size of cars. These discoveries helped spark his theory of evolution. For the first time, scientists started to see animals not as fixed, but as changing and adapting over time. Let's not forget the impact on medicine and agriculture. Guinea pigs, first kept by Andean peoples, became crucial lab animals. Potatoes, turkeys, and llamas traveled across oceans, changing diets and economies everywhere. And the study of venomous American snakes led to breakthroughs in antivenoms and medicine. But discovery never stops. Even today, scientists in the Amazon uncover new species every year. Incredibly, more than 40% of South America's mammals are found nowhere else on Earth. The Americas are a living laboratory, and we're still learning from them. So what does this all add up to? The animal discoveries in the Americas didn't just expand our world map, they forced humanity to question what we know, to dream bigger, and to keep exploring. If you're studying science, remember, every new discovery starts with a question. Who knows what you'll find next? Thanks for joining me on this timeline journey. If you enjoyed this, tap follow for more amazing stories from our world's wild past. See you next time.